In his book, The Psychology of Money, Morgan Housel said, and I quote, "The highest form of wealth is the ability to wake up every morning and say, I can do whatever I want today." After earning passive income since 2018, I 100% agree with Morgan Housel. These 5 genius passive income ideas that I want to share with you in this video will do one thing for you if you take action. It will change your life in the new year. You see, the 2 most important aspects of our lives as human beings on the face of the earth are number 1, our health, and number 2, our finance. If your finance is working in the new year and your health is good, I can almost ascertain that the year is going to be a really good one for you. So, in this video, let's talk a little about your finance. Yes, your money. Let me tell you a short story. I graduated from the university in the year 2011, and just like any other young aspiring graduate, I was so focused on getting a good job with my certificate, specifically between 2012 and 2015. But something extraordinary happened to me in 2016. I watched a video just like the one you're watching right now, and that video shared 3 genius passive income ideas that will pay me times 10 of my current job as at that time. Not just that, this video idea promised that I will not have to work under anyone. I will be working from any location of my choice, including my bedroom, and I will be earning in foreign currency. As at that time, one United States dollar was exchanging for about 400 naira, and that is the currency we spend in Nigeria. I took up the challenge, and fortunately for me, I could work on the 3 ideas discussed in that video concurrently. I took them up, and today you are actually watching this video because of my decision back in 2016. Today, I earn in United States dollars even though I am living in a small city in Nigeria. I have a huge following from the United States and virtually every country on the globe. I make much more than 10 times what I was making back in 2016, and more than 90% of my income sources are passive income, meaning that I can afford to work or sleep anytime I want. Even if I'm not working, my businesses are constantly making me recurrent income, and that's what passive income is all about. That your business can be making money for you even if you're not working. But of course, I don't intend to give work a break at any time, but I am living my life on my terms, and I have total control of my life and my time. I can care for my family just the way I want to. Now, this is the same life you too can live if you watch the 5 genius passive income ideas that you might never have thought about or even existed that I will share with you in this video. Except that it's even easier to start any of these ideas now than it was when I started my own journey back in the year 2016. You can make times 100 of what I'm currently making, and you can make less. It all depends on how much you want and how fast you want to quit any stressful job that you're currently doing and start living the life of your dream. So, if you're ready, then watch every bit of this video as I share with you these top 5 genius passive income ideas you never knew existed. Idea number 1. Automated dropshipping. Estimated worth. According to Shopify statistics, dropshipping had a global market size of $226 billion in the year 2022, and it will hit a compound annual growth rate of 23.4% from 2023 to 2030. This effectively makes dropshipping a valuable business idea that is sure to keep growing in the years to come. Concepts. Automated dropshipping is a business concept that allows you to sell products without you seeing the product, owning a physical store, owning the product yourself, managing any inventory, doing packaging, arranging for shipping, and other strenuous aspects of selling that you might have been used to. Machines and computers does all of this for you. So, in e-commerce, we call this automation. That is the reason why this business is also called automated dropshipping. making it different from the traditional dropshipping where you have to do a lot of the business operations manually or even own your products. Basic requirements. Setting up an automated dropshipping business is easy. All you need is to have an online store where orders from your customers are automatically processed and shipped by your suppliers. You have almost nothing else to contribute except, of course, receiving your payments. Is this a dream? No, it's actually the reality. So, when you consider the most recently published statistics by e-marketers, e-commerce sales is said to have hit 6.4 trillion in the year 2023. Then your business sense should tell you that e-commerce is one idea you should jump into in the new year. And if you want to take my advice, then you should go for automated dropshipping. Automated dropshipping is a business you can run from anywhere in the world. Either you are a business professional or an active housewife, it will not matter. All you need is any of a computer desktop or laptop, a tablet or phone, and then of course the internet. So go ahead and give this passive business idea a strong thought. There are countless resources both online and in books that can practically hold your hands and walk you through the process of starting. If you love the automated dropshipping idea and you want me to suggest helpful resources to you, then just comment automated dropshipping in the comment section and I will respond with great resources that will make your journey to automated dropshipping success really fast. How fast can you make your first couple of income from automated dropshipping? While success in every business requires a long-term mindset, you can begin to make money from automated dropshipping from the first week of setting up your online store, especially if you decide to run some active promotions to speed up your earning process. But even in the worst case scenarios, you should start making your money from the very first month of starting this business, especially if you get started on the right notes. Idea number 2, blogging. Estimated worth. In all honesty, it is pretty difficult to estimate how much blogging is worth. This is because blogging is a huge world on its own, and how much blogging can make for you will really depend on how much blogging monetization skills and information you have. But just to give you an idea of what the most successful bloggers make, Ryan Robinson blog makes between $20 to $50 every month, and several other million blogs make something in between. Concept. Before I continue, I am very sure you would have heard of blogging as one of the oldest passive income sources since the internet came out. But that does not mean that blogging has become saturated. As long as humans keep seeking information, blogging will never go out of vogue. If you are the type that loves to turn your passion into profit, then blogging is one passive income source that you want to pay attention to. Now, imagine having a blog dedicated to a niche or subject you absolutely love. Many people even write in their diaries as a pastime. People love to share their daily experiences on social media. This is what blogging is all about. Except that this time you have a personal blog where you publish your write-ups and then make money doing so. You can make several thousands of dollars passively when people come around to read your blog content. The magic here lies in your ability to write interesting and genuine content that your readers will be willing to read and desiring to come back. And then some basic SEO skills that let your content easily show up on search engines for new visitors to see your blog and become regular visitors to your website. Basic requirements. Again, you only need to have your website launched and active online, and then turn up once in a while to write and publish new articles or blog posts on it while updating the old ones. Making money from blogging is especially interesting depending on your preference. There are several ways you can monetize your blog, ranging from Google AdSense, affiliate marketing, which is a world of its own, sponsored content and recommendations, and the list continues. How fast can you make your first couple of income? Again, you may not make money from blogging in your first month. Remember, we are discussing passive income ideas that has the power to keep bringing in money to you even years after you might not be doing anything again. So with blogging, you will need a little bit of patience and basic blog writing and SEO skills to get your blogging foundation right, and once you get that, then the magic begins to happen. If you love blogging ideas and you want me to suggest helpful resources to you, Then just comment blogging in the comment section and I will respond with great resources that will make your journey to blogging success really fast. Idea number 3, affiliate marketing. I mentioned affiliate marketing while discussing blogging a while ago. That is because most effective forms of affiliate marketing go hand in hand with blogging. Concept: affiliate marketing stands out as a potent avenue for building amazing passive income stream by strategically aligning with relevant brands, products, and services. You can earn commission from every sale generated through your unique affiliate link. Interestingly, everybody does one form of passive affiliate marketing or another, only that most people do it for free unknowingly. If you have ever suggested a product or service to a friend, a family, or colleague before, and the person go ahead to buy that product or service, then you have just completed an affiliate marketing process, only that you are not paid for it. So you see the reason why affiliate marketing is one of the most interesting form of passive income idea. You already know what it is. You probably have been doing it for free. Only that now you are business minded and you want to create a passive income flow from it. Estimated worth. According to Optimonster statistics, affiliate marketing has become a successful business worth more than $17 billion as of 2023. This is a big increase from the $13 billion that was recorded in the year 2016. The future also looks very bright for affiliate marketing. Experts predict that by 2030, the value of the affiliate marketing industry could reach $40 billion. This shows that affiliate marketing is an exciting field growing more rapidly than expected. Almost every company now are looking for affiliate marketers, and this is an amazing business you can do while lying on your bed. Basic requirement. The key to success in affiliate marketing is to leverage your online presence, whether through a blog, social media, or email marketing, to seamlessly integrate affiliate products that resonate with your audience. Really, as much as possible, you want to use all of these mediums to promote your affiliate marketing products, but having a dedicated blog for your affiliate marketing offer stand out of the rest. How fast can you make your first couple of income? Well, depending on your ability to grab basic affiliate marketing skills such as selecting niche relevant products, creating compelling content, and basic promotion, you can begin to earn affiliate commission within the first week of launching your affiliate marketing business. If you love the affiliate marketing idea and you want me to suggest helpful resources to you, then just comment affiliate marketing in the comment section and I will respond with great resources that will make your journey to affiliate marketing success really fast and interesting. Idea number 4. Create and sell online courses. Estimated worth. The online education market was estimated to reach a revenue of about $166 billion in the year 2023. It is expected to experience an annual growth rate of about 9.12% in 4 years' time, resulting in a projected market volume of $257 billion by the year 2028. The good thing about online education is that you can create and sell online courses right from the comfort of your home. You think this is difficult? Then think again. Many online course creators are no match for you when it comes to smartness, and it will interest you to know how much people all over the world are desperate to learn just about anything, including some of your knowledge that you never thought were worth anything selling. With the rise of the online learning, creating and selling online courses has become a lucrative passive income option. All you have to do is to share your expertise in a specific field by developing well-structured, informative courses. Global platforms like Udemy, Allison, Coursera, and Teachable offer an excellent marketplace for reaching a global audience. And if you are in a place like Nigeria, you can easily create your online course and sell both to your local and global audience through a platform like Seller. And if you have your website, you can also create your courses and sell on your own personal or business website. Like I already mentioned, creating online courses is one of the easiest passive income skills you can learn, and there are countless resources out there that can put you through its basics in a few hours. This will be so worth the effort because your online course can keep selling for several years after you launch it online. If you love the online education creation idea and you want me to suggest helpful resources to you, then just comment online education creation in the comment section and I will respond with great resources that will make your journey to online education creation success really fast and worth your effort. And finally, idea number 5, content creation and marketing. Technically, I have shared a bit of content creation ideas while I was talking about blogging. This is because blogging is a subset of content creation, but obviously, content creation is much more than blogging. The era of social media has created a multi-billion dollars industry in content creation and marketing. According to LinkedIn, the worldwide content marketing market is anticipated to grow at a rate of $87 billion by the year 2028. With growth rate of about 13.7% during the forecast period of 2022 and 2028. As a personal opinion, content creation is about the easiest way to make passive income. There are different kinds of content that you can make and earn passive income from, but video content is the best of them all. Depending on your preference, you can make money creating content on different social platforms, even though YouTube seems to be the best of them all. Facebook monetization is another very lucrative one, but the problem is that Facebook monetization is not available to all countries yet as at the time of recording this video. Video content creation and monetization on social media has a lot of similarities to blogging, but each social media platform have different rules to their monetization processes, and this is one thing you must be familiar with before starting to create content on your preferred social media platform, with the hope of making money from it. Again, there are resources that can put you through the process of making money with content creation, and if you comment content creation in the comment section, I will suggest great content that can help you master the act of making money from content creation. In summary, the truth remains that there are several more genuine passive income ideas that can make you thousands of dollars working from anywhere and making you money even while you're sleeping. But I decided to pick out the best and the easiest 5 that I know anyone from any part of the world can easily start with completely no startup income or just a few amount of dollars to begin with. You can also start any of these passive income businesses and launch them just in a matter of days, and they are all guaranteed to make you amazing passive income in the new year with verifiable statistics. If you want more guide on any one of them, just comment in the comment section with your most preferred choice and I will do my best to refer you to easy to follow resources that will help you and guide you into launching your business within a few days. If you got value from this video, please give it a like so YouTube can suggest to more persons looking for amazing make money informations like this. Thank you and I'll see you in my next video.